One of the most fun parts of the holiday season is decorating for Christmas. This is the ideal opportunity to add some warmth, sparkle, and joy to your home. While we all dream of creating a cozy holiday retreat, some design choices can unintentionally make your space look a little less magical and a little more, well, budget-friendly. A few common decorating missteps, even with the best intentions, can turn your Christmas vibe from chic to cheap. Whatever the case, these mistakes can make your holiday setup feel flat. Here are the most common design blunders, and how to avoid them like a snowball coming your way. Using the wrong tree size. While the Christmas tree is the star of the show, if it's the wrong size, it can completely throw off your look. In a room with tall ceilings, a tiny tree is underwhelming, and an oversized tree in a small space is overwhelming. It's like you're wearing the wrong shoe size. No matter how nice the shoes are, it just doesn't work. Too many mismatched ornaments. If you've saved ornaments over the years, it's easy to go overboard. And having too many similar parts can result into a tree more like a flea market exhibit instead of a festive wonder. To make it look polished, experts say, stick to a cohesive color scheme or style. Homeowners who stick to a theme will likely feel less stressed about their holiday decor. Neglecting the lighting. No Christmas tree is perfect without the appropriate lighting. It's like hot chocolate without marshmallows. Your tree may look dim if you rely on a single strand of uneven and dim lights. You can use multiple strands and spread them out evenly for a warm, glowing effect. Pro tip: some warm white lights can make you feel cozy, while colorful lights can add a playful bit. Then, just don't mix too many colors. Overdoing the tinsel. Too much tinsel can turn your tree into a craft project gone wrong, but a little goes a long way. Instead of wrapping your tree in layer after layer of shiny strands, choose to use tinsel more sparingly. Highlight key areas with it. It keeps the tree looking festive, but not gaudy. Ignoring balance in decor. Having all of your decorations crowded on one side of the room can make the whole space feel off balance. Make sure that every area of your home feels festive by spreading decorations evenly throughout your house. For example, you could balance a very decorated tree with simple garlands or stockings on the mantle. Skipping quality wrapping paper. Gift wrapping is part of the decor too, but flimsy paper with clashing patterns can detract from the look of your entire space. Buy wrapping paper of good quality and pick the colors of wrapping paper continuous. Rent a Christmas says that investing time and creativity into the wrapping process increases the sentimental value. Forgetting table settings. Your dining table is the focal point during holiday meals. Leaving it bare can make your home feel incomplete. Some greenery, a few candles, and a simple table runner can go a long way to setting the mood. Elevate the look by skipping the plastic plates and opting for real dinnerware. Using fake greenery that looks like plastic. Using faux greenery means you'll save money and time, but there's nothing worse than using the overly shiny, plastic kind, which can look cheap. Pick greenery with a natural texture and throw in some actual pine branches or eucalyptus for a fresh look and smell. Misting faux greenery with a little water can help tone down the artificial shine, experts say. Inflatable decorations indoors. Outdoors, inflatables are fun, but inside the house? Not so much. An oversized inflatable Santa or snowman in your living room can take over the space and fight with the rest of your decor. Stick to more traditional decorations indoors and save these for the yard. Clashing colors. Of course, Christmas colors don't have to be just red and green, but it can be irritating to have competing colors. Don't mix too many bold colors in one space. Use a 2 to 3 shade palette to keep it harmonious. For example, gold, white, and even green can lend a garnish of elegance. Forgetting about the ceiling. It is very common to decorate the walls and the floor, but for some reason the ceiling is forgotten. Adding a few hanging ornaments or ribbons will help draw the eye upwards and make your space feel more complete. If you have a small living room, this trick is particularly useful because, according to Ideal Home, it adds dimension without using up floor space. Skipping scented decor. It's not just sight you should focus on. Cinnamon, pine, or peppermint scents will help make your home feel more festive. Relying on cheap artificial sprays can overpower the space, though. If you don't want to go for the real scented candles, simmer some cinnamon sticks on the stove for a perfect, welcoming aroma. Ignoring the details. Burned out bulbs on your lights or wrinkled tree skirts are small details that can take away from the ambience. They may be small things, but to guests these little things stand out like a sore thumb. Before guests arrive, take time to make sure these issues aren't present so your space feels put together.